And these are 10 timeless truths about the market that you guys need to learn. Number one, good stocks can go down for no reason. Number two, bad stocks can go down for no reason. 20 years is the best period to hold index funds and top tier stocks. So these are the best 10 in the world. 20 years is the best period to hold those. Number four, the market does not care about politics. As much as everyone was worried about the Capitol building and election cycles and all that, the market still shot up as a result. Long term, it does not care. Five, commodities are always terrible investments, but given the entrepreneur that they're going to have on tomorrow, I'm going to tell you that water is going to be one of the best commodities to invest in if you can in the future, because we are going through a water crisis. Number six, the stock market hates inflation. The only thing it hates more is deflation. Number seven, the best environment for stocks is a low, stable inflation rate. If inflation starts to tick up, yes, we can still have gains, but it will not be as easy. Number eight, PE ratios work better for the individual stocks than for the market as a whole. Number nine, a high PE ratio is a much better sign of a stock to sell than a low PE ratio is a sign to buy. So like right now, there are some stocks that have a PE ratio of 135 and 290 and 650. That is more of an indication that they're going to drop than anything. And number 10, very few companies that are good are traded on the pink sheets. I love you guys, and thank you so much.